In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shop in Squarespace. First, open your site in the Squarespace editor so you're looking at your live preview with the left-hand panel visible. Head into Pages. This is where your site's structure lives and where you'll add the store. In the Pages panel, click the highlighted area shown in your guide to add a new page, or open the section that's already prepared for your shop. Choose the Products page type. This creates a store layout that knows how to display items, prices, and variants. When you're prompted to name it, type your shop title. Something simple like "Shop" works well and keeps your navigation clean. Use the Shop the Collection link or button to jump into the collection view. Switch the category filter to All so you can see everything at once while you design. Now, click Edit to enter page editing mode, then select Edit section to customize the banner and grid. Open Background, then Colors, and pick a palette from your site's theme that gives you good contrast for text and buttons. If you return to background, you can keep it minimal or set a subtle tone that doesn't compete with your product photography. Next, move into Design for that section and open the text controls. Here you can adjust the heading and description so your shop tells visitors exactly what they'll find. Go to Manage Items to control what displays on this collection. If you need to change an item, click Edit on the product you want to refine and make your adjustments. Back in the section, choose Edit section again to fine-tune layout options. Click the highlighted controls shown in the guide to enable or disable features specific to your template, like showing category tags or adjusting the number of columns. While you're in design, choose a grid and spacing that flatters your product photos. If your images vary in aspect ratio, pick a uniform crop so rows align neatly. Keep headings short and use the description to highlight key info like shipping or returns. These small choices improve clarity without adding clutter. When you're happy with the look and the content, open Design one more time, go to Color, and make sure your buttons, links, and text remain legible on hover and on mobile. Then click Save. That publishes the changes to your live site. As a quick check, view the page on a phone or narrow your browser to confirm spacing and readability. If anything feels off, you can hop back into Edit and adjust without losing your work. And that's it. You've created a products page, connected it to your collection, styled the section,